So there are 3 sisters and they have 2.8 sweaters. Are there enough sweaters for the sisters? If we have 3 women and this one has a sweater and this one has a sweater and this one only gets 0.8 of a sweater, right? There's not enough. So no, there are not enough sweaters. There are 25.7 chairs in a classroom and 25 students. What are the fewest numbers of chairs needed to accommodate all students? Well, there's 25 students, so we only need 25 chairs. So in this case, sometimes it's confusing because people want to round up. They see 25.7 and immediately say, oh, I should round this up, right? Because that's how we round. Well, think about the situation. It says, what are the fewest number of chairs needed to accommodate all students? You just need 25 if there's only 25 students. Ms. Triggs uses an extension cord for students to plug their computers into. The furthest student from the extension cord is 28.3 feet away. What is the fewest number of whole feet the extension cord must be in order for the furthest student to plug in their computer? So if we have the furthest student, let's say this is the front of, let's say this is where the extension cord starts, and then this is where the furthest student is, and that student is a distance of 28.3. What is the fewest number of whole feet? So we have to have a whole number. Well, again, in this case, 28.3. We want to round it to the nearest whole number required, right? But if we rounded it down, because 3 technically rounds 28 to just 28, right? We know that from 0 to 4, we keep it the same, right? And so we have 0.3. You think you want to keep it the same, right? But will 28 feet reach this student? Well, if we only went to 28 feet and we didn't make it that 0.3, then no, it's not going to make it to the student. So in this case, we have to round up to 29 so that the student will be able to reach the extension cord. There will be a little bit of extra distance or slack in the extension cord, but that is the fewest number of whole feet that would be required in order for the extension cord to reach the furthest student.